What's up guys, it's JC Tech and Finance here. I've been doing this YouTube thing for a while and I decided to upgrade the equipment that I use for this channel. Right here, I have the Sony A7RV full frame mirrorless interchangeable lens camera, otherwise known as the A7RV. I also have the first generation Sony 24-70mm GM lens that I'm really excited to unbox as well. I know that this is a camera that a lot of people have been waiting on for so long. So without further ado, we're going to get to the unboxing right after the intro. Welcome back. Now let's get started with unboxing the main camera. So the first thing that's in here looks like the cable organizer. I've never seen this before. Next up is the power cord. I believe this is for the battery charger. We also have the warranty, a sweepstakes, a reference guide, something about memory cards, and then some other items. Oh wow. We also have the strap. I don't see a lot of people use the strap for day-to-day work. So I'm not sure if I will end up using it, but it's good to have. We have the battery charger. So we just plug in this cord into the battery charger. We have the Z battery. I love these bigger batteries. You can really shoot a lot of video or a lot of photos without having to constantly recharge thanks to this battery pack. We have the USB-C cable, and you know what's great about this camera is that you can actually run it off a USB-C cable, which complements the fact that there are no recording time limits, including 8K 24p mode, 4K 60, 10-bit 422 sampling. And then finally, we have the PS de resistance. It's great that it comes in felt. Wow. So this is the Sony A7RV. This feels so heavy compared to the Sony A6400 that I have right now, and it's definitely pretty beefy. It comes in at 1.6 pounds compared to the 14.22 ounces weight of the A6400. It has that new camera smell as well, which is always great. Oh, look at this. There's no jangling of the hooks for the strap, which is great when you're recording video. And the biggest part of this upgrade is the new flip screen. Some people love the tilting screen of the Sony A9 camera or the Sony A1. Other people prefer the flip out screen of the Sony A7S III. With the new Sony A7RV, you get both a 4-axis multi-angle LCD monitor that gives you the benefit of both worlds. I'm really looking forward to making use of it. So that's it for the unboxing of the R5. Let me quickly unbox the 24-70GM as well. So in the box, you have the instruction booklet in many different languages. You also have the lens itself that comes in a case, which is great. It's definitely pretty heavy. So it comes with the lens hood, and then finally the lens itself. Which is definitely not light. I'm really looking forward to increasing the production value of my channel with this new equipment. Let me know in future videos if you notice a difference. This is JC Tech and Finance, signing out.